So let's dive in and just show you a first look walk around, how you're going to sort of use it and what each sort of area does. So really what you're looking at is creating a new Powtoon. If you want to create a new video, depending what you want to do, some quick links here to different types. What am I going to do? I'm going to do a work presentation today, or an explainer video, or I want to do some sort of marketing to social media, or an infographic presentation, or some video ads for YouTube. And you can just jump in and it'll say, right, explain a video. Here's the template. So what you can do is look for a template that you might want to use. Here we go, 8 steps to what? Let's have a little preview it. 8 steps to the perfect vacation, right? And it'll show you that video. And if you think I can use that, you just use it and dive in and start editing and changing things, and it's really easy to get up and running quickly, right? I'm going to show you how to do that in a minute, but everything you've created is going to be down here. So if you've got previous month's Powtoons, you can go in and change them and edit them and download them again. So it's not a case of get this working once and then you're done. You can go back to previous month ones and edit it. You know, you might have got a bit of feedback on your presentation, you want to change it, and you can go back in. These are all previous months ones. Click on edit, re-export it. So don't think once I've created something I've only got one chance of exporting it. You can go back. You can see, look, I've got ones from years and years ago, and you can export it down, right? Again, at the top, this explores almost the same as this button set here. What you've also got is style gallery, where you can select a set of characters where it will, if you want office workers to superheroes, you can create Powtoons using that set of characters, and everything that it sort of gives to you as a choice will be off that set of characters. So let me just go back there. So you might pick, you might want office workers turning into superheroes, or just regular office workers, a family set. Maybe you want to do a black and white video or something like that. You can do all these things. It's dead easy to set up, right? So again, there's integration and labs. I'm not going to go too much into that in this video. And again, it's a lot of things point to the same place. And if you want to do enterprise and pricing, you can. So up the help center, if you need help, you can dive in and ask. There's tutorials here. I'm sure how many. There's a lot of tutorials. Oh, there's not. There's 9. But again, if you need help, you dive in and ask, and you can hire somebody there as well, right? So it's really easy to navigate around. It's not hard, is it? You're going to spend a lot of time in My Powtoons, and everything you do will also save, and it'll be in here for you to edit, right?